Toyota. The Toyota Motor Corporation is a Japanese multinational company. The bulk of its operations is in the production and sale of cars and trucks. In 2009, it became the world's largest maker of cars, based on sales and number of automobiles produced, for the very first time. It was founded in 1937 by Kiichiro Toyota, and a whole Japanese city was built on and named after Toyota. Other brands in the Toyota umbrella include Lexus, Daihatsu, and Hino, maker of trucks. It also has a financial services arm and is a key player in both the robotics and biotechnology industries. Toyota's just-in-time production methods and its management philosophy, called the Toyota Way, have been studied by business graduates and managers worldwide. It is currently heavily committed to producing green, environmentally friendly cars.
Upon arrival at the port, cars are sorted according to type and export destination. Sweeping is constantly conducted at the port to prevent possible damage from small rocks. Onboard workers called gangs share the role and load all the cars. Under the leader's instruction, they quickly park the cars with perfection. And then they secure the cars. The cars are packed tightly, separated by only 30 centimeters of spacing in the front and back, and 10 centimeters on each side. Several shipping gangs can load as many as 5,000 cars in 2 days. Once the last car is loaded, the ship leaves for its destination. Forging is a process where iron is heated to a high temperature and then struck with a hammer or a die. This process strengthens metal to make car parts that require a particular strength. Here we are making a crankshaft, a component of the engine that rotates at a high speed. In order to pass through the casting process, we can create products with complex shapes by pouring molten iron or aluminum into a mold. This process supplies molten metal at 1,500 degrees Celsius or 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit to the casting line, using a container called a casting ladle. To learn the fundamentals of casting, it requires not only understanding the characteristics of metals and molds, but also hands-on learning experience.